Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking about affiliate marketing and how it works. So this video is going to be for those of you who are completely new to online marketing, or if you want to start making money online but you don't know where to start, then this video is going to help you out. But before I go any further into this video, I just want to first welcome you guys to my channel, Motivational Marketer. And if this is your first time here and you're interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so with that being said, let me just jump right into it. So if you guys are brand new to online marketing, or you don't know what affiliate marketing is, maybe you heard about the term before but you're not sure what it is. Basically, affiliate marketing is where you're promoting other people's products online through a link that's coded directly to you. So if somebody clicks on your affiliate link and they purchase the product that you're promoting, then you would earn a commission. So you're basically getting paid for referring people whenever they buy a product that you're promoting. Now, if you want to sign up to become an affiliate for a company or a program, you're going to be given what's called an affiliate link for every product that you want to promote as an affiliate. So it doesn't matter what product that you're promoting as an affiliate, you're going to be given a specific link that's going to be coded to you. So anytime somebody clicks on that link and they purchase the product that you're promoting, then that's when you would earn a commission. So just to give you guys an example, like an affiliate link is just a string of code. It can be a series of like numbers, letters, and it's just like this long piece of code. So basically that's going to be your specific affiliate link. So anytime somebody clicks on that link and they buy that product that you're promoting, that's how it's going to be tracked back to you. So you get credit for that sale. So just to give you guys an example, let's say that I'm promoting this cell phone right here. This is the Galaxy S9 Plus. If I were to promote this as an affiliate link, what I would do is I would create content around this product. Maybe I would do a YouTube video where I'm talking about the benefits and the features about this phone. I would take some pictures to show how great the quality image is for the camera. I would talk about the battery life, how much storage that it has. Maybe I might even do a drop test to show how durable the phone is. And then what I would do is I would paste my affiliate link for this phone in the description of the video. And then at the end of my review, I would just say, hey, if you guys are interested in getting this phone for yourself, I'm going to leave a link in the description where you guys can get it. So anytime somebody would watch my video and they're interested, maybe they're thinking about buying this phone but they're not quite sure yet, they might just be on the fence after watching my review, and then they think, okay, you know what, I might just get this phone, you know. So I just refer them to the affiliate link in the description of my video. They just watching my video, it's kind of like puts them over the fence of that decision where they want to buy the phone for sure. So I refer them to the affiliate link, they click on that link and they purchase the phone. So I would be making a commission just by them purchasing the phone through my affiliate link. So the concept of affiliate marketing is pretty simple, but there's a lot more that goes into it if you want to become successful with it. Now, most people getting started, they sign up for an affiliate program, they pick a random product, and then they'll just start spamming their affiliate link all over the internet. If you want to successfully make money with affiliate marketing, what you're going to have to do is pick a niche. So this is going to be a specific category that you're going to be focusing on. It can be maybe the health and fitness niche. Maybe you're somebody who enjoys working out, eating healthy, living a healthy life. And you might be trying to promote an affiliate product like a health supplement, a weight loss supplement. I would recommend going with something that you're really passionate about. So focus on a specific category that you want to target. You can also promote a niche like making money online, because everybody is always looking to make money online. Or you can also promote relationships. But these are the three most top niches that are going to be known as evergreen, meaning that they're always going to be in demand. There's always people who are interested in these niches. But that doesn't mean that these are the only ones that are going to be profitable. You have to do your research and figure out which ones are going to be profitable for you if those three are not something that you're passionate about. Now, the reason why I say pick one that you're passionate about is because, like I mentioned earlier, you're going to have to create content around this specific niche. Like how I just mentioned as an example where I'm just doing a review about a cell phone, I'm creating a YouTube video where I'm going over the benefits and the features of that cell phone. You're going to have to do the same thing that's related to the niche that you're in. So once you pick a product that you want to promote as an affiliate, you're going to have to create content. It doesn't have to be a YouTube video. It can be a blog post. You can do Facebook post, Instagram post. You can even do a podcast where you're delivering value based on the product or the niche that you're in. So just to give you guys another example of delivering value is, let's say I'm in the health and fitness niche and I'm promoting a weight loss supplement. So what I can do is I can create content that's focused on the weight loss niche. I'm not straight away just going to be promoting my weight loss product. I can say something like, here are some 5 exercises that's going to help you lose weight. Or here's 5 vegan recipes that's going to help you lose weight. So what I'm doing is I'm addressing a problem that somebody in the weight loss niche is having by answering how can they lose weight. And if they get value from that, then they're going to want to receive more value and more content that I have to offer. So they're going to be more open to receiving or buying the product that I'm promoting to them. So if you compare that just to me being a complete stranger on the internet and I'm promoting this product, this weight loss supplement product, and they don't know who I am or what the benefits of the product that I'm promoting to them are, then there's a good chance that they're just going to skip over my video or they're just going to click away. They're going to look for somebody who they feel is more trustworthy than I am. So that's why it's so important to deliver value in the content that you're creating around your niche. Now, when most people get started with affiliate marketing, they think it's just going to be easy money. They have to just click a few buttons here and there, set up a couple of links, and then money is just going to start pouring in for them. But there's a huge difference between affiliate marketing and any other retail e-commerce business. If you're just selling e-commerce products like hats, shirts, or whatever, or you're doing Amazon FBA or drop shipping, you have products there, you just list them for sale, and then eventually you're going to get people to buy your products. But when it comes to affiliate marketing, it's a little bit different. It's going to take time to build up an audience because you're promoting somebody else's product. So people aren't just going to buy a product because you tell them to buy that product. They have to be able to trust you in order for them to make a purchase. So if you're thinking about getting started with affiliate marketing, I just want you guys to keep this in mind that it is going to take some time to build up an audience. And then once you build up an audience, you have to be able to build trust with that audience. And then you have to be able to sell that product to that audience. So once you reach this point where you build up an audience, you create trust with your audience, and then they buy a product that you're promoting to them, what's going to happen more than likely is that if you're delivering a good product, if you're promoting a good product that you know is going to benefit them, then they're more likely to buy another product that you recommend to them later on down the line. Let's say if I promoted a weight loss supplement to somebody and then they actually lost weight, let's say 20 pounds in a couple of months, they're going to say, wow, you know what, that guy, he delivered some great value. He gave me some good advice for losing weight. I tried out the product that he recommended to me. Let's see what else that he has to offer that can help me maybe gain a little bit of muscle. So that's how powerful it can be when you build up an audience the right way using affiliate marketing. Now, I'm not going to go into too much technical details about affiliate marketing because I can just be here for days talking about autoresponders, email lists, and landing pages and all that. But I just wanted to keep it simple for those of you who are brand new to affiliate marketing. But if you guys want to learn more about affiliate marketing, then you can check out my free ebook download down in the description called Affiliate Marketing Blueprint. So I go into more detail on how affiliate marketing works and how you can use it to start earning money online. So if you guys are interested in that, I just recommend you guys check that out. And if you guys want to know my personal recommendation when it comes to making money online, check out the first link in the top of the description below. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys learned something new. If you're brand new to affiliate marketing, hopefully you guys got some value from it. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below if you guys have any questions. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.